Hey, yo, what up? It's Mikey. Welcome to this Halloween Horror Nights 34 exclusive. Today we're going to go in and look at the cat lady of Crooked Lane because they just added so many more details, set pieces and props, huge pages from a storybook and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to really look at it and see how the story ties in with all the props. Now, Central Park was home to one of my favorite scare zones of all time, and that was Trick or Treat. It might have been my favorite because I love the movie, but Central Park is known for being a bottleneck zone and not having the greatest lighting once the sun goes down for photos and whatnot. So hopefully this year it'll be a little bit different. The flow of traffic will be better and maybe it'll be lit different, especially with the house that's situated kind of outside of the zone at the end by Animal Actors. So follow me on social for the most up-to-date Halloween Horror Night prep update stuff right here. All right, let's go.
You can afford.
You guys want to go on the Hogwarts Express now?